Hello there. In the last video, we learned what communication is, its elements and its types. But even when we try our best, communication often fails. You say one thing, the other person hears something else. A simple message gets twisted into confusion, anger, or silence. How does this happen? Because of barriers. Barriers are obstacles that block or distort the flow of information. Let me walk you through the main barriers you need to know for UGC NET Paper 1. First, physical barriers. These are barriers in the environment. Noise from traffic, a poor phone connection, a room that is too hot or too cold, a bad lighting, or even a closed door between two people. Physical barriers are the easiest to spot. A factory floor is too loud for a conversation. A teacher speaking from a distance cannot be heard clearly. Distance itself is a physical barrier. Solution is often simple. Move closer, reduce noise, use better equipment. Second, psychological barriers. These are barriers inside the mind of the sender or receiver. Stress, anxiety, anger, depression, or even excitement can change how a message is sent or received. For example, a student who is afraid of the teacher will not ask a clarifying question. A manager who is angry will speak harshly even about a small mistake. Prejudice and bias are also psychological barriers. If you believe a person is not intelligent, you will not listen to their ideas carefully. The solution is self-awareness. Recognize your own emotional state before you speak or listen. Third, semantic barriers. Semantic barriers are about the meaning of words. The same word can mean different things to different people. The word budget to a finance officer means a strict limit. To a department head, it means a request. To a student, it means nothing at all. Jargon, technical language, and regional slang also create semantic barriers. A doctor saying myocardial infarction to a patient instead of heart attack creates confusion. Even simple words like soon can be a problem. For one person, soon means tomorrow. For another, it means next week. The solution is to use simple, clear, and shared language. Fourth, organizational barriers. These barriers exist in companies and colleges and government offices. They come from hierarchy, rules, and communication policies. A long chain of command means messages get distorted as they pass from one level to the next. A strict rule that all communication must go through a specific department creates delays. A culture where employees are afraid to speak up to their boss blocks honest feedback. Even a poorly designed office layout can be an organizational barrier. The solution is to flatten hierarchies, encourage open communication, and set clear channels. Fifth, cultural barriers. India is a land of many cultures. Different languages, religions, customs, and norms create cultural barriers. For example, a firm handshake means confidence in some cultures but aggression in others. Direct eye contact is respectful in one culture but disrespectful in another. Even the concept of time varies. In some cultures, being 15 minutes late is acceptable. In others, it is an insult. The solution is cultural sensitivity. Learn about the other person's background. Do not assume your way is the only way. Now that you know the barriers, let me give you a quick way to remember them. Use the acronym SPOC. S for semantic, P for psychological, O for organizational, C for cultural. Add physical as a separate category. Physical barriers are the most obvious and often the easiest to fix. For UGC NET, you will be asked to identify which barrier is at play in a given scenario. Listen for keywords. If the problem is noise or distance, it is physical. If it is emotion, stress, or attitude, it is psychological. If it is about word meanings or jargon, it is semantic. If it is about hierarchy or rules, it is organizational. If it is about customs or beliefs, it is cultural. Before you go, here is a question. A professor uses technical terms from their research field in a first-year undergraduate class. The students cannot understand the lecture. Which barrier is it? A, physical barrier. B, psychological barrier. C, semantic barrier. D, cultural barrier. The answer is in the description. Choose your option Let me know in the comments and come back for the next class. Take care.